Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. After the resurrection of Jesus, one of the first words that he uttered was, "Peace be with you." If you were in the shoe of the Lord, if you were the one who was beaten to death, if you were the one who hung on the cross, what would be your first word? Kung pananglitan ikaw si Kristo, nga gibunalan, gilansang, namatay dito sa cross, nga ikaw nabanhaw, unsa ka imong primerong ilitok? Would you say, "Peace be with you"? Sigurado ko dili. Siguro ang uban nato, maingon, asa man itong mga Hudeyo nga naglansang nako? Siguro ang uban, pangasab-an. Gani, siguro ang uban, maingon, asa man itong mga apostoles nga nanago? I wonder if we would be like Jesus who would say, "Peace be with you." What would be our reaction when we are hurt? 3 things. Number 1, revenge. Mao gyud ay una. If we are hurt, our natural instinct is to take revenge. If we follow in the Old Testament, they have the so-called lex talionis, the law of vengeance. Kung imo kong ipasakitan, pasakitan sa tika. However, not all of us would take revenge in action. Dili. Ang uban, sa huna-huna, nasakitan, huna-huna, may tag maslide ta, may tag magabaan ka, may tag mataga kasagdanan humagmisa. Our revenge exists in our minds because of our hatred, because of pain. And sad to say, we even pray to the Lord. Nga, Lord, unta, gabaan na nimo sila, oy. Revenge. Number 2, when we are hurt, what do? Withdrawal. Sa mga batanon, kaning withdrawal, ang uban, i-block sa Facebook, i-block sa phone book, ang uban, magpalayo, murag wa nakagiisip nga kaila, o sa relasyon, magbuwag, bahala ng mga anak, mao'y magsakripisyo, kay lagi, nasakitan ang asawa, ang bana, magbuwag, withdrawal, magpalayo. And number 3, which is very common, when we are in pain, unsa man? War of silence. Why tingganay? Bisan kauban pa mo sa community, kauban pa mo sa choir, no? Kauban pa mo kanta-kanta diha, kauban pagli-minister. Why tingganay? Bisan magtapad pa mo. Murag wa kay nakitaan. Kasuway na mo ba nag-asawa, mag-away, mangaon mo pariudto, di magtingog. Kasuway na mo nga nagtrabaho sa opisina, naglagot ka sa imong kauban, bisang tapad mo lamisa, di mo magtingog. Pila ka buok mga igsuon nga nag-away nga way tingganay biskang mag-reunion. Pila ka buok ugangan nga di magtingganay biskang magkita diha sa panimalay. Nabay atong silingan, atong kaila parinti nga hangtod karon wa gyud nato tinggi. Wa man mi nag-away pader, wala raman. Di lang may magtingog. And that will be our prayer. That like Jesus who was crucified, who died on the cross, the first word he uttered was, "Peace be with you." However, we are always tempted to take revenge. We withdraw and even do war of silence.